So I ordered from Fowlers of Bristol a new old stock fender for my Aprilia Falco, and I have got the box. I have removed the bands, and thought I would show on the video what it's like. So it's supposed to be new old stock, though it never been used, but according to the pictures there is a small scratch on it, which I think I can buff out. We'll see. But I have a Aprilia Racing, same kind of deal, new old stock chain guard on it as well. So I wanted all the stuff to match, so wasn't going to buy a Chinese type carbon stuff. I wanted it all to match nicely, so looks really good packaged wise. My invoice. They gave me a great price on it, so I'm very thankful for that. And shout out to them from a shipping standpoint, where they shipped it economy, but it got here very, very quickly. Here in the States, in Arkansas, and shipped it from the UK. So looks like this so far. It's nicely padded, which is nice, given that it was going to be going overseas, and you never can tell some of the handling that gets, the packages get handled by, sometimes they're not of the greatest care. Oh yeah, okay. Look at that, never been mounted. No dirt on the inside. There's some old finishing bits here. Almost looks like kind of glue, but this is just stellar. There's the little scratch they talked about. Looks like it may have been dropped on the ground. They're just the tiniest of scratches. I may try to buff that out. Just a little bit of buffing. But that looks perfect. Looks like it was quality control passed by well, I can't really see the, looks like QOO or QO002, and it was done May 9th, 2000 and that looks like 2003. So this has been sitting on the shelf for quite some time. It's 2021, 2003. It's been sitting on the shelf for 18 years. That's incredible. Almost 18 years anyway. So anyway, thank you to Fowlers for getting this to me. They also gave me a great price on it, so I'm super excited about that. This is something I've wanted for quite some time. Didn't want to get one that was not a quality piece of kit, so I'm very thankful that they put this online and I was able to purchase it. All right, you guys have a good day.